In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wix blog. If you want to add a blog section to your Wix website, the good news is that the process is very straightforward and only takes a few clicks inside the editor. A blog can be a great way to share updates, publish articles, improve your site's content, and give visitors more reasons to come back. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can add the Wix blog to your site smoothly. To get started, open your website in the Wix Site Editor. Make sure you're on the editing screen for the site you want to update, because this is where you'll be making the changes. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the top left area of the screen. You'll see the page drop-down menu there, which is used to manage the pages on your website. Go ahead and click that page drop-down. This will open the list of pages currently on your site. From there, look for the option to add a new page and click it. This is the section Wix uses when you want to expand your site with new pages and built-in layouts. After you click to add a page, choose the design option. This will take you into Wix's page design library, where you can browse different types of page layouts based on the kind of content you want to add. Since the goal here is to add a blog, you'll want to look for the category called Blog and Resources. Click on Blog and Resources, and you'll be shown a selection of blog page designs. These are pre-made layouts that help you get started faster, so you don't need to build everything from scratch. Take a moment to look through the available designs and choose the one you like best. You can base your choice on the overall style, layout, or the way you want your blog content to appear on the site. Once you select a design, Wix will add the blog to your website. At that point, the blog page becomes part of your site and you can continue customizing it if needed, so it matches the rest of your branding and layout. That's all it takes to add a Wix blog. As a quick tip, after adding the blog, it's always a good idea to preview the site and make sure the new page appears exactly where you want it. If this helped, you can follow along with the same process anytime you want to add blog functionality to another Wix site.